Welcome to Nancy Ogbebor Tv, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepare all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing great. Today let me show you this alternative method of cooking pounded yam using your blender. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So go ahead to peel the yam, and after peeling it, I'm going to be cutting it into smaller cubes, okay? So we'll continue like this until we are done.
Stir it, fry it, cook it well. Every recipe has a story to tell. Easy steps, flavors so true. On Nancy Ogbebor TV, I'm cooking with you. Stir it, fry it, feel that groove. Every little bite will make you move from local place to something new. On Nancy Ogbebor TV, it's all for you. Sizzle in the pan now, color on the plate. Simple, quick and cheerful. You don't have to wait from early breakfast to late night stew. Every show's a seed for you. Slice it, season, let it glow. Follow me and take it slow. One more pinch, the flavor's true. Set the table, join the crew.
So I'm done with it. So I'll go ahead to wash it thoroughly. And next I'll transfer it into my blender to blend. So I'll go ahead to add in little water so it will help my blender to blend this smoothly. It has to be smooth, okay? So blend till you get a smooth paste. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. Next, I'll transfer my blended yam into my pan, and on a low heat, I'm gonna be stirring this so it thickens up, okay? So continue to stir till you are satisfied with it, and the result was amazing. So this is easier and it is also an alternative to pounded yam. For those that will say it is not pounded yam, it is blended yam. It is well. Okay, so this is what I have. Go ahead to wrap it in a clean film and enjoy with any soup of choice. So sometimes when you want to eat pounded yam and there is no strength to pound, this is the best alternative, okay? You can go for, and the result is amazing. Try this and let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye bye.